What is up, guys? We came to a Stanton event, and here are the cars. We don't know where the event is, so we're not sure, but it looks like it should be here because Stan's cars came here. Nice. So here I am, right? Because you see the car, the conditions. Then you have this one right here, man. Look at this thing, bro. Then you move on to this one, bro. Oh. Look at how nice this one is, bro. Then you move on here. Got a young kids. Got a young I-20, young Polo. We'll get that side now. Then we have these ones, bro. The one making all that noise. Look at these things, bro. Oh my days. Yo! Look at this thing, bro. This is the guy that helped us get here, bro. Shout out to him, though. Oh. Just love this car, man. Oh, this car just makes me think, why? Oh, how lovely this thing is, bro. It's a Yaris with a 2-pipe. See, playboy nigga things, bro. I think I've seen this car in Midrand also. Look what just came. Look at how clean this thing is. I mean, look at the paint, bro. Look at that, bro. Look at this thing, bro. Damn it. Yeah. Then we move on. This one we already saw. No, we didn't see this one. This one is also new, I think. Yeah, it's new.
And I'm sure they didn't.
I was here. Then we have this one as well. Oh. We don't worry, bro.
Stay humble, eh?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Humble, eh?
What number plate is this one?
German. VW. German.
It's off in a Fox. Even though it's the same car. Just long, one short.
That's the photo shoot corner.
Wonderful. I never had a phone at this age. This is bothering me.
So this car at Brazil Fest, bro. Oh. Look at how dark the tint is, bro. You can see my reflection. Nothing more, nothing less. Oh. Sub. Yeah, the sound system in this one also is crazy as hell, bro. Welcome back, YouTube. Good news for those who follow the E46 build. It's 2 days after that stand show we went to. We're gonna be taking this engine to engineering. Yeah, and we're gonna be taking it in the Yaris because I don't have a van. Yeah. Now go right C2. Alright, I'll update you guys after we drop it off to engineering and see what the verdict is for this thing. As you can see by the dirt on my hoodie, the thing is in the car now. The engine in the top, the block in the top. Yeah, it takes a lot of leg work for two men to pick up half an engine. This I picked up myself, but as you know, it's like, you know, when you're picking up something heavy you want to put it in the car, it's like if you don't get the right angle, things become heavier to like maneuver it. But other than that, it was fine. So I'm gonna call the engineering shop and I'm gonna go to and let them know I'm coming. So yeah, guys, we're back from the engineering shop. Then we found the speed hump at a robot. Yeah, like look at that, bro. Oh, okay, you can't see that. Oh my days, there's another speed hump. Sharp.
One eternity later.
Negative. Dalaga negative. Maybe on.
Did you meet? Did you meet?
Yeah, there's one.
12. Yo. Gents.
Oh, like
Guys, on the way now. The bumper fell again. Yo, we got zip ties. I'm at school. The security guard helped me at school. So yeah. So I'm out here cleaning my car because I wanna clean it. So yeah, man. This car's gonna get painted. Thanks to my loving mother and stepfather. It's gonna get painted. Now I just need to take out all the valuables in the car. And then yeah. Yeah. Then after taking out all the valuables tomorrow, I'm gonna take the car to Boxburg. I'll shoot some content. And yeah, man, after that we should be all Gucci, man. What do you like? Then yeah, we should be all Gucci, man. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye. So I'm not done cleaning up, but cleared out here. They said I must take out my valuables. I just thought, let me just clean the car once. Or not clean, because you can obviously not clean, because wow. But yeah, man, just took out everything. There's always something here, you know. Yeah, there's always miscellaneous things in here, but yeah, everything is clean now, and hopefully it's done sooner than later, because I really need a car to go and pick up my engine when it's done. And I thought I was gonna get money this week and then buy a gasket set and then take my car to get fixed, but now it's looking like I'm gonna need to either take a taxi or I need to, hey, but Uber is expensive, I won't lie to you. It's either I need to take a taxi or I need to buy a bicycle. What the yeah, because Uber, Uber guys, it's expensive. Hijackings are a thing. I don't know, guys. Like with Uber, like it's very convenient, but the price isn't as convenient. Yeah, man. But Yeah, I'm out of a car for like 2 weeks because I would have taken my other car, but my other car is a bigger problem than this one. And yeah, man. So now I guess I'm downgraded back to 2 series. Yeah, it just, the reality just hit me now. I'm gonna be walking for a very long time. 2 weeks is a long time, bro, to be walking. That's when you start realizing how convenient it was having a car. What's up, guys? I'm outside Fred's Express Auto Body. Fred's Auto Body or Fred's Express. Yeah, so now here I'm here to get this car painted. So my pops and my stepfather and my mom decided they're gonna help me paint the car, because originally I was supposed to sell this car and then they were gonna give me the old car so that my sister, the selling of this car was gonna be so that my sister can get a new car. But I love this car a lot, and yeah, man, they're like, okay, it's fine, you know what, we'll pay for it to get fixed. Oh my days, look at that Stan's car there, Polo. Damn it, you can't see it. But okay, yeah, yeah, I love this car a lot, so I didn't want it to, you know, to leave my possession, you feel me, because I know I wasn't gonna see it again. But yeah, man, let me turn the camera around and y'all can see how it looks, and we'll compare with what when it comes back from the shop. So this is how the car looks. You all know this, it's like small dents and scratches everywhere on the car. There's a scratch and dent there. You know, here's the writing that's gonna unfortunately leave, but you know, it will still be here and hot. And yeah, man, bumper, and this side, I don't know, this side wasn't that bad. Besides maybe that there. Yeah, but that's basically the whole car. Yeah, man, so hopefully it comes back looking 1000%. But yeah, man, bicycle. I told you guys earlier, bicycle. So we're outside Burger King because we decided to get some food. And now that we don't have a car and we walked here, it's starting to rain. And we just literally ordered like 2 minutes ago, and it started to rain.
Long walk to Frido.
Yeah, it's gonna be a long walk back, bro.